Hello, today I am making a very simple, easy, homemade, well cooked, delicious, tasty jollof rice. In this jollof rice is packed with so much taste without using all the ingredients that you would be using for party jollof rice. But I promise you, this jollof rice turns out even better than some party jollof rice. I haven't used any tomato puree to get this color. I haven't used any coloring. And also, I did not use the red bell pepper. I simply used a plum tomatoes and a fresh tomatoes to get this color. So let's start cooking. I will start here by heating my oil, and once the oil gets very hot, I will be adding here a roughly together blended together onion, garlic, and fresh ginger. So I will allow this to fry. I'm going to fry this on a low heat, allowing it to get brownish, and you can see that golden dark brownish because I want a kind of distinct unique taste for this jollof rice. And here I've added a blended plum and combined with fresh tomatoes and scotch bonnet, and I'm going to cover this up to cook. I'm going to cook this until the tomatoes dries up, and while that is cooking I'll get my meat, the chicken I'm using, prepared. And once that, I keep checking it, and you can see that if you look at it, you can see the tomatoes is drying up and the oils are coming up. Yeah, I'm going to be adding here white and ground white pepper, curry powder, and seasoning. At this time, I will not be adding salt. I'll cover it well to cook for another 10 minutes. And now I will be adding my washed rice. This rice I soaked it for 10 minutes before washing it with warm water, and I had to wash it until the water becomes clear. The reason is that you want that starch to wash off. You don't want too much starch so that the jollof rice will not be soggy. It will be well cooked and separated when it's done. So I'm going to stir this in properly so that the ingredients will combine. And at this time, if you notice, I haven't still added salt. The reason being that you can see me now sieving in the chicken stock, and this is the stock I have gotten from the chicken. So in this stock you have your seasoning, you have different ingredients that I've used to boil this chicken, and also salt. So I would have to taste for salt to know if I need more or not. So depending on your preference, if you are the type that likes salt, then you can decide if you need it at this time. So I'm going now to really reduce the heat of my cooker to the bare minimum because I want this rice to cook and simmer gradually till done. I am not adding any extra water. I'm only cooking with that liquid you saw me sieve out from the chicken, that is the chicken stock. That is all I'm cooking. I will stir this continuously rigorously and cover it again to simmer gradually for another 8 to 10 minutes because I want this rice to dry up without having any liquid at the bottom, and I will want it to really dry properly at the bottom but not burning. I will get that dryness, total dryness, as if it's forming to start burning, but it's not going to burn. The reason is that I will be getting that distinct taste, party-like taste, and deliciously bite taste of the rice. And you can see how colorful the rice is. Voila, the rice is ready. I have served this beautiful jollof rice, low budget, easy cook, tasty, extremely. I am proud of this rice, and I'm telling you, you can go try cooking this rice and come back to tell me how it goes. Hit that subscribe button to keep liking my channel and give me that thumbs up because this rice is extremely delicious. Go try this rice, give comment below, and tell me how you like to enjoy your jollof rice. Thank you for cooking with me, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Goodbye.